Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality P R Thakur. He was born in 1904 in Faridpur, Bengal Presidency. He completed his schooling in Calcutta. He did his graduation from St. Paul's Cathedral Mission College. He obtained his law degree from Calcutta University. He went to London and became the barrister. He started his practice in Calcutta High Court. His family played a very important role in the scheduled caste politics in East Bengal. He was against the partition of Bengal. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bengal with support of Congress Party. He was a member of various committees: Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities and Tribal and Excluded Areas Committee, Subcommittee on Minorities. He spoke on various issues in the assembly. He spoke on issue of safeguarding the depressed class. He spoke on issues of economic rights should be available for enforcement in the court. He spoke on the debates regarding untouchability. He spoke on the issue of citizenship. We'll just see his views on economic rights and untouchability. On 29th of April 1947, quote, "I do not understand why economic fundamental rights should not be included in this justiciable rights. Economic rights are essential while framing a country's constitution, and they must also be made justiciable." So this was his view on economic rights. We'll just see his view on untouchabilities. "I do not understand how you can abolish untouchability without abolishing the very caste system. Untouchability is nothing but the symptom of the disease, namely caste system." So these were his views. We are thankful to him for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.